When you are preparing survey or objective questions, do you know how to align the ABCD? Are you still using the conventional method? Keep on typing spacebar constantly? It is too slow and sometimes still cannot align properly. Here are some tips to help us align easily and quickly. Firstly, press the Control key and H key to open the Find and Replace dialog box. Find what section insert this formula. And replace with insert these formulae. Click More option. Tick Use wildcards. Then select Replace All. After completing all the settings, select the first option row. Then, make markings on the ruler. For example, at 4.5 single clicks it. At 8.5 single clicks it. At 12.5 single clicks it. You may mark differently depending on your case. After completing, double-click the Format Painter. Then, single-clicking it to use the brush to paint over a selection of text or graphics to apply the formatting. The ABCD option is successfully aligned. If you find my video helpful to you, please like, share and comment. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.